fabulous people. I am Danietta. Welcome to my YouTube channel, Dietta, where we discuss all things fabulous. Today's video I am so excited about making. Today's video is going to be an unboxing as well as a what's in my bag of the Telfar Circle Bag. Like, I literally just got it delivered like 30 minutes ago. I have not opened the package yet, so you guys get first dibs on seeing me unbox this bag as well as my initial reaction. So unless you have been up under a rock, the last couple of weeks on social media, there has been a frenzy because Telfar Clemens has released this circle bag. This bag is priced much higher than his shopping bag. So for reference, his shopping bags range for the small is $150. The medium is $202, and then the large is $257. So I have 6 shopping bags. I have 3 small, 3 mediums. I don't have any large. That to me looks more like a travel or a carry-on bag, and I don't need one of those, but I do love the medium. That's my favorite size, as well as the small, and I have them in various colors. So this circle bag is priced at $567, which is much higher than his shopping bag. So there's been a lot of chatter on the socials about, he said he wasn't going to raise the price. He did for his shopping bags, and he has not. I wouldn't pay that much for fake leather because all of Telfar's bags to date have been made of vegan leather. What are the other things people are saying? Just a plethora of things. I saw this bag and I knew that it was just an icon bag for me and my personal collection and my personal style. I did have a little heartburn about the price, but obviously I got over it because I ordered the black circle bag on day 1. Honey, sister girl was tuned in to Telfar TV waiting for them to drop the deets, okay? So I got it within the first couple of minutes of it being released on the website, and I'm gonna unbox it for you guys today. Before we get into that, I want to say if you are a new viewer, welcome to my channel. I hope that you enjoy your time here. Don't forget to subscribe, and when you subscribe, hit that notification bell so that you'll never miss the upload of a new and fabulous video. If you are a return viewer, I appreciate you. Thank you for rocking with me. Also, I am Dietta on Instagram, so if you follow me over there, which you should, you will get real-time updates of this fabulous ride that I call life. I'll give you a quick overview of my outfit details really quickly. These earrings I am wearing, I got from Ann and Joseph. It's spelled Ann X Joseph. I think you pronounce it Ann and Joseph. These are repurposed hardware. Love, love, love these earrings. This necklace I got from Amazon. This sweater I got from Fashion Nova. And my red lip is from H&M. Yes, H&M. This ring is from Tory Burch. And so those are the deets. I'll drop the comments. I'll drop the details of the outfit below in the comments, especially if everything is still available. So I will try to do my best to do that for you. So here is the box. I have not opened it yet. So I did see in the description on this one that it was gonna come in a foil stamp box. None of my previous Telfar bags have come in a box. And so this is the first time that I've gotten a box. And I am a box collector, honey. So I hope you guys can see the details on that. Trying to do this where you guys can see it as well. So this dust bag is also different than all of my other dust bags. All of my other dust bags are a white bag with the black Telfar symbol on it. And so as you can see, this one is black with silver. So same good quality dust bag. I like all of his dust bags. You ready? Isn't she lovely? She is. Look at her, you guys. So this is my first time seeing one in person. Obviously, they just became available last week. So far, so good. I am pleased with the size. And so this one you can wear as a crossbody, and I just know because I've seen it on the internet, it does have a strap on the inside, but we'll get into some of the details. And so I hope that you guys can see the Telfar zipper pull. It's in a pewter color. So here is the strap, which you can, again, add in. So when I pack this bad boy up, this bottom part will not be so condensed. All right, so let's get into the inside. You have your Telfar tag, and then you have just a little side pocket here. It does not zip. And then at the bottom, there is another Telfar tag that is also in all of the bags. What I do notice, hand got stuck with this big old ring, is that you can also use the side compartments on either side, and there is a little magnet right here and right here, so that will keep it, you know, cinched together should you slip anything in there. First feel of this, it does feel different than my shopping bags. It doesn't smell like anything, but it's not giving me, so I don't know if you can see. I'm trying to get you as much as the details. I like the stitching on it. It's not giving me fake leather vibes, as a matter of fact. I'm currently looking up some of the details for you guys. So I want to say that the shopping bags on the website are listed as coming from China. And this circle bag is made in Italy. So I don't know if that's the difference in what we are feeling as far as quality. Perhaps he resourced different materials. So even though it is vegan leather, perhaps he did source different materials as compared to the shopping bag. Of course, this one has a lot more structure to the design than the shopping bag. So I can wholeheartedly see, based on my initial touch and feel of it, as well as just like looking at the structure of the bag, like how there can be a price difference. And let's put a pin in that. Let's stop trying to tell people how much they should charge for their products. So we're not even gonna waste our time here today discussing the debate that I've been seeing, talking about people say, well, you guys paid this much for fake leather or canvas from some of the bigger houses of fashion and design. Go to the comments on social media if y'all want to have that conversation. We're not having it today. I was also seeing some talk online that there could be creasing on the handles. I see none here. So as you can see here, the strap is made out of the same material. It is adjustable, so it slides more so like a belt would. And then the clasp or the hooks on the end are the same pewter color that is the zipper is. So we're going to attach this to either side here. Easy breezy, beautiful cover girl. So this is me standing with the bag worn in a crossbody style. For reference, I am 5'5", 5'5" with brown eyes, smile like the sunrise. And so there, and I still could make it a little longer if I wanted to. I think I actually do want to, just a teach bit. There we go, perfect. So you can see I still have ample room here. If I wanted to make it longer, I could. But this is how it looks as worn as a crossbody. get into it. Yes, yes. So I wholeheartedly see myself carrying this as a clutch as well as a crossbody. Crossbody days will likely be if I was out running errands, if I were traveling, I'd carry it as a clutch, maybe like for a brunch or a date night. But I do like the fact that I have the option. I can pick and choose. With the shopping bags, those straps are not detachable. And so I can appreciate the forethought in that. And so it's pretty comfortable to carry this way. Not going to be able to fit your arm through it. So it is definitely either a clutch or a crossbody. So I have my current bag that I'm using, my big mama, my hobo, and I am going to take some of the necessities from that bag and put them in this bag and let you guys see like what could fit in my bag. All right, so it's 2022. Y'all know the drill. We got hand sanitizer because we're using so much hand sanitizer, lotion. Let's throw some shades in there. Card case. So far, so good. Keys. We're gonna do lipstick and face powder. So I'm trying to make sure. And then my phone would be in there. I'm recording on my phone. So, but I could easily put the phone on either side. But I'm going to show you guys, I still have a lot of room in here. So the phone could fit in the main compartment, or you can slide the phone on either side for easy accessibility. And then you don't have to worry about unzipping and zipping. The zipper opens and closes smoothly and nicely. So again, this bag holds all of the essentials with even a little bit more room than a micro or mini bag would have. It does not hold as much as the medium shopping bag because it is smaller and circular, but it definitely holds a lot more than the small shopping bag. And as a matter of fact, hold on, I'll go get the small and the medium shopping bags to show you guys for comparison. So I didn't even know which colors I grabbed. I just grabbed. So here is the black shopping bag. And then here is the circle bag. So you can see the comparison there. And then you can also see the difference that I was explaining in regards to the dust bag. And then this is my tan, again, same white dust bag. So this is my tan shopping bag. So again, size comparison, small shopping bag, round circle bag. And I'm also, yeah, I'm feeling the feel. This circle bag is softer. Yeah, the circle bag is softer. I hate to say this. This does feel more plasticky. This feels softer. And here in the handle parts, it feels like a pillow. So that's cushiony. That's cushiony. So the Telfar T emblem is like a padded type feel. I can't speak on if it's the same with the duffel bag because I don't have any of the duffel bags, but I will say that this reminds me of the ends of the duffel bags from what I have seen. So my initial thoughts and reactions are, I don't have any buyer's remorse. I am so glad that I got this. I do know that I have seen on the website that he will be releasing this bag in both white and I believe it's tan or either chocolate. It's white and chocolate. I like this black one. For me, if you guys have watched any of my unboxing videos and you heard me talk about handbags, I tend to like classics and I don't like necessarily trendy colors. With the shopping bags, I have gotten into some colors that I technically wouldn't normally gravitate to, but I also have the basics in even the shopping bag. I have a black, I have a tan, I have a red. So some of the other colors are just to add a little bit of pop into my wardrobe. And again, his shopping bags are priced so affordable that I don't mind. To me, it's not a splurge to have a color that I normally wouldn't gravitate towards as far as my handbags go. But with handbags, I typically play it safe. I know I wouldn't want the white one because your girl loves to wear denim and transfer, and I'm a brown girl. I have makeup on my hands, you know, all of those woes. And so for me, the black was the best decision. Absolutely no buyer's remorse. I love this bag. She is cute. Baby, y'all gonna get sick of me. Sick of me in this bag. And so do I feel like this bag is worth $567? Looking at the craftsmanship, looking at the detail, and then comparing it to the shopping bag, yes. Absolutely. Yes. I think it's still an affordable bag. Look at that. It is like nothing that I have in my collection, and I got a pretty hefty handbag collection. Absolutely love this. I am not concerned about the wear and tear. So again, this leather feels a lot softer than the shopping bag. Well, I said leather. The vegan leather on the Circle Bag feels noticeably different to me than the vegan leather of the shopping bag. So again, this one feels more like plastic. This one has a softer touch to it. But as you can see, like, I've had this shopping bag since last year, and I carried a good amount, and it has held up. Now, do I know if over time, if I will be able to pass these handbags down like my grandmother did with her Speedy Louis Vuitton, which, by the way, is treated canvas. But that's still like one of my favorite bags. Like, hands down, Louis Vuitton is my favorite house of fashion. And so you can see I've had this bag for a year, and no wear and tear on the handles. I feel like it still holds their shape, and I haven't put a bag organizer or a shaper in it when I carry it. And so with that being said about this bag, and then me feeling like what this bag feels like, I wholeheartedly expect it to hold up just as well. And let's even see. She stands up on her own. Love it! You guys, I'm happy with my purchase. Me loves her. So if you are considering, or you just wanted to know anything about this coveted bag that everybody has been given their unsolicited opinion about on the socials, I hope that this video was helpful for you. Again, no buyer's remorse. Absolutely love it. She's a looker. She's a stunner. She's a winner. Glad to have her in my collection. So I hope that video was useful for you. Again, I know that he will be rolling out the white and the chocolate bags. Those are currently listed on the website, and it says coming soon. So follow the socials. He usually drops it there before a release, as well as if you are subscribed to his email list, you will get the information on when those next two colors will be dropping, as well as any other bags that he plans on dropping in the near, immediate, or even not so near immediate future. Again, if you have not already, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. When you subscribe, hit that notification bell so that you'll never miss the upload of a new and fabulous video. Also, don't forget that I am Dieta over on Instagram. If you follow me there, you will get real lifetime updates of this fabulous ride that I call life. And until I see you guys next time, stay fabulous.